Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to get started using the InstaDUB software. In the previous tutorial we showed you how you can add your account to the software. In this tutorial I'm going to quickly run through how you can set up follow actions using your account to follow other users on Instagram. Interacting with other accounts means the users will get a notification that you have followed them, and then a percentage will follow you back, depending on how well suited your account is related to their interests and so on. You will find the follow functionality under the follow menu icon here, and we will see a standard action tab. At the bottom you will see your list of accounts, and at the top we will see how we can specify the action. Most of the tabs are set up in a similar way, meaning you enter your search term and specify the search. This will be used to find users to action on, and the rest of the options will merely alter how that search and how the action will process. So there are two kinds of searches you can perform. A basic search, which are listed here. You'll see we can search for users based on their username. We can search for users based on a hashtag search. A hashtag search means we will search for images or videos that include the hashtag, and then we will follow the authors of those images. And also there is a location search. Another type of search, and more powerful, is a custom search. Here you can build up a search of many different steps which will feed into each other. For more information on the custom search, do see the custom search module where it will be explained in more detail. For now, we are just going to perform a simple hashtag search. We are going to perform a hashtag search on the term SoundCloud. I want to follow just 5 users. It's only an example for this tutorial. The other options I'll go through quickly. For more information on all the options, do see the specific main tutorial on how to follow, as this is just a quick tutorial on how to get started. So the action that we run, it can be repeated, so we can find users every 24 hours with the hashtag search. This is good if you are performing a recent search to find all the images uploaded with the SoundCloud tag recently. By default the search is a recent search. You can also specify to return the the Instagram ranked media, the ones which Instagram thinks are more relevant to your account, or you can return both. Again, more information in this specific tutorial. Right, so the other options are all pretty more advanced, we don't need to worry about. The only one is the random pause. After following each item we will pause. So here we will pause after each follow randomly between 1 and 9 seconds. I'll quickly go through the advanced pre-actions. So before following the user we can specify we want to like one of their media. So we want to like 4 of their media, means we will like the 4 most recent images they have uploaded. To avoid any footprints, so Instagram doesn't realise that before we follow every single user we will like 4 media, we can specify that we will only actually like 50% of those. Or you can specify you would like all of them should you wish. We'll just go with 50%. And then we can delay between these likes, so it's randomly delay between 1 and 3 seconds. And again, similar for comments, how many medias to comment on, percentage to action on, delay, and then simply set your comments. But I'll leave it like this and we will action on 2 to speed up the tutorial. Another option you will need to know is the unique items per account. This means you will only ever follow a particular user one time. This will avoid you following a user, unfollowing them a week later, and then perhaps following them again. Then all that is left is to check the account we want to use. Click the follow button, you'll get the notification that the action has been created. That means it is sent to our processing tab. On the processing tab is where all the actions will be processed. Again, we will be going through this later in the specific Getting Started Processing tab tutorial. Click Run. The action will start running. We will perform the search. Here you can see that we're grabbing the media, processing on 50%. As you saw here, both were ignored. The 50% is like rolling a dice. If you roll a dice and you get 3, if you get 1, 2, 3, the item will be processed. If you get 4, 5, 6, it won't be. And so you could roll the dice twice and get a 4 and get a 5. So although 50% is not guaranteed, it will be exactly 50%. It's a 50% chance of each item processing. So if you see here we've got a like before that was processed. This time it processed both. Pausing, and here's a follow successfully. So that's how you can set up a basic follow action. More information, do check out the rest of the Getting Started tutorials. Do come along to the forum, rootjazz.com/forum. Do ask any questions that you may have. Thanks for watching.